Recording you. I'm recording you. Cry about it, kid. Cry about it. Cry about it. Oh, miss. I'm not shooting this. I'm not shooting this. Kill him! No, no. No! Don't let him go! Don't let him go! Don't let him go! Is he rage? Did he just rage so hard? No way. Look at the feet. Look at it. Oh, so scared.
Second of all, I feel like I asked for your opinion.
Kill the blue cat. Kill the blue cat. This guy. He's trying to escape.
They're really the one.
You're not going away. Rage about it. Cry about it. Cry about it. Cry about it, dude. Cry about it. Dude, why is this kid screaming so hard, dude? I'm just gonna name this video called Kid Rages at Animal Company because I keep killing him. That's what I'm gonna name him, dude. Yo, blue cat. Hey, blue cat. Hey, blue cat. Alright, let me see if he's still here. He's still here. He's still here. He's still here, go. He's still here. I still have a nut shot. He's still here. He's still here. Yo, cat. He's still here. He's here. Hey. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. Don't let this guy go. Don't let this guy go. You're not going there. You're not going there. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna get a gun real quick. Get a gun. This kid is raging so hard.
There's a mimic in the shop. Congratulations.
Bro, miss.
Means you're the only one that does that. I understand. Horrible. Too many people in this.
Hey, buddy.
Too many to murder.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere, Bro Chacho. You're not.
Help me. Help me.
Kill him. Kill this Bro Chacho. Kill this little Bro Chacho. You're so lucky, dude.
But the mimic still chases you.
I can see you, dude.
Nobody really wants to get to.
No, you're not getting out. You're not getting away. You're not getting away. Don't let him get away. Don't let him get away.
I'm not gonna back away from this thing.
Dark Blue, are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? You're so mad, bro. You're so mad. Dude, bro, Green, don't kill me.
Yes, I can also spawn them. It's not knowing.
Kill him. Don't let him run. Don't let him go. Don't let him go. I'll let you go here. No way, bro. Bro Chacho. Bro Chacho. Did bro just leave? No way. Bro Chacho. You got muted, bro. I think bro got muted. Did bro get muted? Bro got muted. He got muted, dude. He got muted. He's trying to do sign language. Sign language.
It's not your idea.
Bro is not.
Everybody.
Don't let him escape. Bro, this kid is actually. This kid is not slick.
What the?
Where is he? Did you leave? Are you scared, buddy? Did you just leave? Lol. Where is he? It's not there. Where is he? Is he still in the server? Actually, dude, might be crazy. He's still in the server. He is. Hey, you crying, dude? Are you crying? Oh! You crying like a baby? You crying like a baby? You crying like a baby, bro? You crying like a baby? Aren't you? You crying like a baby? Are you crying? Are you crying, bro? Are you crying like a baby? Alright. You actually thought. You tried to kill me. I'm gonna show this real quick. Take him out. Take this guy out.
All don't know what you're using.
Rager.
Oh, you know what you're doing? Then why do you...
Go, bro, go there. I'm putting you somewhere. Okay, I'm saying goodbye. Respawn, bro. Respawn.
I wonder why they added it to the game.
You're dying with me. I'm dying. Alright. Who's gonna die with me? Okay, then I died. Dude, he's raging.
I'm not a wolf.
Dark blue.
We don't have the same mom.
The cat. Where's the cat? Is the cat still here?
Oh,
Yes.
also, matter of fact, the report
Where's the cat?
doesn't
Where's the
work in
cat?
game. You have to
Where's
go
that
to
cat?
the
Where's that
Discord.
cat?
And I know for a fact
Where's
there's
the cat?
two young tab Discord.
Where's this kid? Where's this kid?
Hey bro, I have Discord actually. Who wants? Yo, bro. Blue.
Hey, dark blue. This guy raged.
I got it.
This guy raged.
I was just like you.
This
And
guy
I
raged.
let the
This
anger take over, bro. I let it take
Orange,
over, bro. You're gonna go through something you wish you could never.
dark blue. Are you here? Come here, buddy boy. Come here. Kill him. Get this kid. Get him. Look at the. Bro, really hard.
Yo, bro. Don't kill him.
Nah, I'm gonna kill him. He's raging so hard. I'm gonna get so much views. Oh no! Are you his brother or something? Are you his brother or his teammate? Like, I'm just confused. Are you his brother or teammate, buddy? Are you his brother or teammate, bro? You're not killing me. You're not killing me, and you're dying. You're dying.
Kitty cat, come here. Add me.
This kid is raging. Yo, blue, dark blue. Yo, dark blue.
I love her.
Yo, dark blue. You know that you're gonna be. You know I was recording this. Dark blue, I was recording this. Thanks for getting me famous.
Join me.
Thanks for getting me famous, bro. Thanks for getting me famous. Dark blue. Thanks for getting me famous. I have a gift for you.
Guys, why is there a mimic in there?
I should be running goldfish if you're trying to add me.
Oh, no.
Cry about it. You're so stupid.
Serious, bro?
Oh my god, dude, that's actually
That's not
funny.
that funny, dude. A kid crying.
Serious.